What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. If you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Bobbi Boss HD lace wigs that just dropped. Girl, they sold out like that. I mean, I went to get one of the other ones, the Bob unit that's a middle part. And listen, by the time I went to check out, the one I wanted was sold out, and the rest of the colors I wanted were sold out. Like, this was the only one left in the colors that I wanted, and I got it from Elevatestyles. I'll link it down below at the end, of course. But yes, it's a 13x7, not even a 13x6, but a 13x7 frontal. It's got HD lace, and this is the packaging, but I actually have it in a 1B, I believe. Yes, I do have it in 1B. So the name of the unit that I picked up was Mlf452 Fayre, Fayre. Of course, you know, the links will be there, so you can just click on it. It says it does come with baby hair, free parting, obviously, because it's 13x7, so it goes super far back. It says the density is supposed to be realistic, so you shouldn't need to pluck it out or anything. And let's see, anything else? Anything else we should note? Oh, it says it does come with an elastic band inside for extra security, so it is kind of glueless if you want it to be. So let's take a look inside the wig. So I watched Brittany's review of this unit, the Hearts and Cakes 90, and I see what she was saying. She was saying how the lace is very light, and it is definitely a light, transparent color. So if you're like really light skinned, this will probably be fine for you, but I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to tint this. Comes with super long baby hair up front. We'll see once I start like customizing it. It seems a little too long to be optional almost, because it's almost like too thick. Like it looks like bangs almost. So I'm gonna see what I can do with that. That's just my initial thoughts on that. It does have that band. This is the whole inside of the cap, so a whole lot of lace space. And then let's see, is there any combs? There are combs where the lace ends in the back. And it also has a comb in the very back. And then it does have your adjustable straps there, of course. Standard cap construction. It's not the type of cap you can kind of like reach into and touch your scalp though. And then the elastic band, it's actually adjustable as well. So you can make it to customize and fit your head instead of just like a one-size-fits-all band. It does kind of have a bit of a dye smell straight out this package, so I may have to spray a little perfume or something on it because it's not real, so I'll be spraying perfume on these synthetic wigs. So I'm going to get to putting it on, customizing, and then we can see what the tea is on this new HD lace synthetic unit.
I've been doing my own thing. Love is always had a way of having bad timing. But to my great surprise, ever since I looked in your eyes, I had one question for you. Tell me if you want me to give you my time. I wanna make it good for you, 'cause you blow my mind. I promise, boy, that I'll be true. You're the perfect one, so tell me if you want me to, yeah. If you thought I'd stay on
about Miss Fayre here. So I do love the texture on this unit. It's a typical Bobbi Boss texture, I would say. It's kind of shiny, but like more of a sheen shiny than a plastic shiny. And it's very like full. It's not like overly full, but it is a full unit. It is on the yakkier side, but I wouldn't consider it like a kinky straight or anything. Baby hair being like really long and really thick ended up not being too much of an issue for me. Really the only issue that I saw with this unit was, well, I had about 2 issues. The lace being so light, it was so hard to blend this in with my head. Because the lace does come off very undetectable, but it's super light. Like even with me tinting it, I feel like I can still see a difference. And I wish the lace had came a little more tan instead of transparent. But as far as it being HD, it is a pretty HD lace. The cap size I would say is pretty small. Like I had to wear this kind of closure style instead of frontal style really, because it doesn't fit, like, I'm messing up my baby hair, but it doesn't fit my entire, like a good chunk of my hairline's not fitting in there for the most part. Like a lot of times like lace will fit me around here and then I have to leave a little bit out in the corner, but this one kind of like leaves my whole little corner out here out. So I would definitely say this is kind of a smaller head friendly wig. It was very easy to lay this wig though. Like I didn't really have to do much as far as styling the unit. I did tweeze it some because it was a thin hairline, like that was fine, but it was still straight across. So I wanted to add a little bit, you know, of naturalness to that instead of it just being a straight line. And then even just setting my part in place, because the way they had it, I think it was supposed to be a middle part, but when I matched up the sides of the wig with where it should be, it was kind of like off-centered, not quite a side part, but not quite a middle part over here. So I moved it over, and when I did that, you know how sometimes some wigs, when you move it over, it kind of like has troubles like accepting the new area. But this one, I just moved it over and I really just had to lightly touch it with the hot comb. Comment shout out in this video goes to Alexis Jacobs. Thank you so much for watching my videos and commenting and supporting me. I appreciate it so much. If you would like to be the comment winner in the next video, comment down below in this video or any of my videos. I check my comments and I pick a winner and you get to shout out in the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, you want to pick this up, it'll be linked down in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.